In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine JSON arrays using Compose and Power Automate. This is a handy skill to have when you're working with data that needs to be streamlined or unified into a single dataset. Now, let's get started on this process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to open your flow in Power Automate and begin by adding two Compose actions. This will serve as your foundation for defining the JSON arrays that you're planning to work with. Think of it as setting up your workspace. Each Compose action will house one array. It's really important to manually input these arrays so you can have full control over their structure and constituents. In the first Compose action, you'll define your initial JSON array. For illustration, let's consider it includes two entries, one for Alice and another for Bob. Alice has an ID of 1 and Bob an ID of 2. It's a straightforward setup, but very effective. As you lay this out in the Compose action, keep in mind the JSON format, ensuring that all brackets and quotations are correctly placed to avoid any errors down the line. Next, in the second Compose action, you'll define another JSON array. This can have different content, such as two more entries, Charlie and David, with IDs of 3 and 4 respectively. This step is quite similar to the first Compose action, so you should find it relatively quick and easy once you get the hang of how JSON objects are structured. The real magic of combining these arrays happens in the next step, and it's simpler than you might think. You'll need to add a new Compose action specifically to merge these arrays together. You can think of it as creating a new container that will hold all of the items from your first two arrays. In this step, you'll use the union function within Power Automate, a powerful tool that efficiently merges arrays while cleverly handling any duplicates that might sneak in. Enter the expression using the union function into the inputs field. Your expression should look something like this: union, outputs, compose 1, outputs, compose 2. By doing this, you are essentially telling Power Automate to combine the outputs from your first and second Compose actions. This expression is designed to scan both arrays and combine them into a single array, ensuring that any duplicate entries are seamlessly handled. Remember that maintaining an organized workflow may involve you revisiting and modifying your JSON structures or union expression, so keep your flow tidy and your actions clearly labeled for easy navigation. And there you have it. That's how you combine JSON arrays using Compose and Power Automate. With this streamlined approach, you can integrate separate data sets effortlessly, enhancing your data processing capabilities within Power Automate. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your Power Automate skills.